Daktari, which is more profitable? Broilers, layers, or maybe which agribusiness is more profitable for me to invest now? You know, I'm almost retiring. That is one of my most asked question, a frequently asked question by poultry farmers who would like to venture into the business. And that's our topic today. You've been taken through by Vet Mwangi of Lamwa Vet Care Poultry Department. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and even share for more for farmers like you to visit our page, to visit our channel, and learn about agribusiness from a professional team of veterinarians, Lamwa Vet Care. On matters, on such a question, how I usually first I would like to answer. I know you want to. I know by now, since you're already in the video, that's also a burning question from you, or you might have it. You might have had it and have missed the point, the right person to answer it to you. The first point before any investment is market research. Market research is where you'll tend to take a broiler. For our first example being a broiler, where do I need to sell it? What are my probable buyers? Or maybe where will I take the broiler back? Where will I even take the litter? Do you know litter in poultry is also an investment. There's coffee plantations. Our agriculture is the backbone in our country. That litter will be used in crop management. Another example is on the layers. Where will I sell my eggs? Who are the probable buyers? There's the hotels, there are schools, there are hospitals, there's that neighbor, there's your next door neighbor. Number one, market research. Don't go into agribusiness for this case with a notion of my neighbor is doing good, I'll also venture into the broiler end or the layer end or even the kienyeji improved end. Have your research right. Don't go there because your sibling is making it in any agribusiness or any business on that matter. First of all, point number one is market research. Number two is the farm location. Where do you tend to have your farm located? Is it near the market, whereby if it is near a school and your end result and your farm produce, on this case being eggs or broilers or even the kienyeji, the school, you will need to have a place nearer the school, and even on the accessibility to the market is not an issue. Number two is on farm location. The farm location should not be nearer the place where there is prone to diseases. Prone to diseases, you should have your biosecurity on point, where the biosecurity starts with the perimeter fence, the foot deep. Not every Tom, Dick and Harry should visit the farm. So with that, you are able to minimize risks and economic losses. Number three, the housing system you want to embrace in your farm. In our case being Africa, we have several types of housing system. We have the deep litter system, which is more of animal welfare, whereby the birds tend to play in a floor kind of system. There is the drinkers, the feeders, all lined up, where this bird will be able to get access to the drinking water and still exercise within the poultry house. So that is the deep litter system or the frost system. Number 2, on housing, we have the we have the battery cage system. The battery cage system is whereby these birds tend to be housed in compartments, in units, and they are denied access to moving around, and the food is right at their disposal, the drinkers, and it's more of a compartment. But to the advantage part of it, you are able to minimize on labor, on diseases. Though it still has its equal share of diseases, but on battery cage system, the diseases and the health factor is on lower in relation to the deep litter system. This is another case of free range. Free range is where you just let your birds be, and they range within the compound or within a certain environment. We have the semi-intensive system. Semi-intensive system is where you like cage your birds. You have their house, and then there's during the day they'll just move out, and during the evening they get back to their poultry coop. Number 4, your chick sauce. For chick sauce is also another factor to also have research on before investing, before getting into poultry business. The chick sauce, we have the Cobb 500, that's for broilers. The Ross for broilers. For layers, we have Isa Brown. We have the Black Shaver. Quite a number of them. All of them, they tend to have. You should also do your research on that, and by that you'll visit our office. You can visit even our website. You can get to our description down there, where you'll have our contacts and our website, and we'll be willing to assist you, more than willing to assist you get into the poultry venture and be a successful farmer, and still minimize on costs, risks, and from there it's growing and more growing, forever growing. Our fifth point is health. What are the most common diseases in your area? And by that, our poultry department, Lamo Vet Care, will come in handy on that, whereby we'll need to have a very healthy flock, and by that you're able to reap more profits. So the best person to visit before getting into the venture is your veterinarian. Veterinarian, may it be large animals, small animals, whatever business you'd want to venture in. Our sixth point is on record. Also learn how to keep records. What number of birds are there, the farm hands are there, the diseases that maybe your birds tend to get most on, the production records, the mortality records, and with that you're able to maximize on returns, where when you maintain a clean record sheet, you are able to match profits of big farms. Also remember, poultry is not an ambiguous investment like you thought. When you get into poultry business, one thing that I have happened to hear from 1, 2, 3 of our farmers, it is addictive. You'll never get out of poultry when you first get your first egg. It's just more like ingine, another one, and you'll smile all the way, have the best returns and brightest form of investment. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.